Hello, so welcome. I am making a quick video on a Ducati 696 with a wider rear wheel. Okay, so the stock wheel on this bike is a 4.5 rear wheel, the width, and it comes with a 160 rear tire, which is right here. Okay, this is the stock wheel, this is the stock tires, and I wanted to change them out. I wanted to put a wider rear wheel on here, but that 4.5 width rim, I can't put anything wider. Maybe a 170 is the widest I can go. So I did some research, and I found some forums that said that that if I put a 5.5 width wheel, I can put a 190 or 180, which is accurate based on some of the other websites that I've been on as far as tires sizes is concerned. So after some research, I took a gamble. I went on eBay and bought this ST3/ST4 Ducati ST3 Ducati ST4 rear wheel. It is the exact match. The whole pattern is the exact match. So this sprocket, this whole assembly here, the hub assembly, I think that's what it's called, with this rubber bushing or whatever this is called, this is all stock. This is all from the 696. Okay, same thing on the other side. The disc is all from the 696. It bolts on perfectly. Even the screws, those are the same screws as the 696. Okay. The only new parts that I had to put on this was these two pieces. Okay, so this is the stock part for the 696. What I had to order was these same parts, but for the ST3 and the ST4. It's the same part. All right, and what you'll notice is when you order them, okay, these wheel spacers, this is a wheel spacer, and this one is thinner. Okay, and then you'll notice that this one for the ST3 as well, and ST4, this head on this side is also thinner. Okay, so this will be thinner for the new one that you order, and this will be thinner. So it all equals up to about oh man, I measured it. I want to say it's about a 1/4 of an inch difference, and the reason that these have to be thinner, okay, is because this wheel, all right, when you start to measure these things out, you'll notice that from the center of the wheel out to on the right side where the disc goes, where the disc brake goes, same measurement as the stock wheel. What changes is from the center of the wheel out to this side where the sprocket is. That's longer on this bike. So you need these spacers to be smaller in order for it to fit inside of the swing arm. All right. So I went and ordered these guys, the ones for the ST3, and it fits perfectly. Okay. These parts at the Ducati dealer will cost you, man, I want to say they were about $20-something each. I think, yeah, it was roughly about $20-something each. I can't remember off the top of my head. It was somewhere between 45 and 52 bucks is what I ended up paying for these two parts. Okay. Yeah, so I hope this helps somebody in case they were looking for any of this information. And I've been riding on this thing again for a week now, and man, I actually like the way this handles a little bit better on these tires. Especially these tires are a little more sticky than the stock tires that I had on here before. But yeah, so I hope this helps somebody. Also, I'm gonna be changing this tire out for a 190, and it will fit. If you notice the gaps here on the left hand side, there's a good sized gap there, and then on the right hand side there's a good sized gap there as well. So a 190 will actually fit in here without rubbing up against the anyway, the rear hub cover or whatever that's called. Rear hub cover. That's hilarious. All right. Hope this helps somebody. Have a good one. Bye.